Today we visit our neighbors in Wittenberg. I'm here at the Darlene Newski family farm, and it is the alpaca farm, Applewood Farms?
Applewood Lane Alpacas.
Okay, and when did you get interested in alpacas besides meat?
Well, we started in 2009, so that's been a while ago.
It was always your dream to have these animals and raise them, and now you have a beautiful 300-acre farm.
I bought an alpaca rug. That's what got me first interested in alpacas.
I'm so excited today. We're going to go around with your family and your staff to learn more about these beautiful creatures. Feeding time, and the babies are born. Hi, baby. Feeding time. And what are they eating, ma'am?
This is a grain that has minerals and vitamins in it for them.
Come on! Come on!
They can have as much hay as they want, but this we give them a couple cups each day.
Now I'm with Marie, the farm assistant here. Again, for the general public, are they related to a horse or a sheep? They're just so unique and so beautiful.
More so a llama.
A llama.
Yes. So the camelid family is what it would be called.
Here's the baby.
Yeah.
And how old is this baby?
This one is going to be a week old.
And what is the lifespan of one of the alpacas?
About 15 to 20 years. And actually today we have one of ours who just is having a birthday, and she's 19 years old, and she's our oldest one, Atlanta. So
Great.
yes.
I can't wait to meet Atlanta and we can have a little birthday party. How do you keep them straight? Do they each have a tag? They each they each have a cute name?
The front will be her name and her birth date. And on the back, will be her mom and her dad.
An alpaca family.
Well, it takes 11 and a half months to get a baby. So we breed in the summer, so we get babies next summer. And they only have one at each birth. They do not have twins or triplets like goats. We plan the breeding so that we mostly want solid colors, but it's nature, and you're never exactly sure what you're going to get.
Right. And how many animals do you have now?
About 110.
Darlene, you were saying that you have guard llamas?
Guard llamas. They alarm when they see something, and then the alpacas run toward them or run up toward the tent. We've had some really neat experiences with the llamas besides.
So they're keeping away maybe some dog and predators. Oops, we got a lot of llama poop here. How do you take care of all the droppings?
We actually vacuum the pastures.
Vacuum?
Vacuum.
Never heard of that. Vacuuming llama poop. And this beautiful one is Happy Dance. Happy Dance. It's okay. Nope. He's not having me. Happy Dance. Now I have the special opportunity to hold a baby.
Yes.
How old is this alpaca?
This alpaca was born Sunday.
Sunday.
Yes.
And is it a pretty smooth birth?
Yes, yes,
process?
it was very smooth birth. Yes, yes.
Yes. And how do you care for these little guys?
Normally, Happy dances by you.
Is that bad?
No, she just likes to protect the babies.
Okay, yeah.
So she's
okay,
giving,
here you, I'm not going to mess around. Happy Dance isn't like my dancing or very protective. Like Darlene said, we have some watchdogs here. Some of the elders looking over the babies.
And Happy Dance does that very well. So,
Right.
and she's one of our big llamas. So that's her job, is to take care of our babies and our other alpaca.
I bet it feels so special now to do this in your retirement with your family all together. A lot of these products are available at your antique shop.
Yes, and we send it away to be made into yarn, or we spin some ourselves, homespun yarn, but we send it away to mills to be made into beautiful yarn.
Right.
And ours is super soft because I'm breeding for really soft fiber, and that means the microns. I have it tested, and some of ours are in the top 1% of the nation. I have learned a lot, but they always told us to buy the best quality that you can, and because to breed up, you only get one alpaca each year. So as you make improvements, it takes you a long time to get there if you don't start with a good animal to start with.
Just like your meat products, simply the best. You start with the best ingredients.
Yeah, we do want to have the best.
Surrounded by the Newski family and the staff at the beautiful Applewood Lane's Alpaca Farms, inviting you here for the open house on Friday, August 7th, where you and your family can learn more about these beautiful animals, feed them, see the products, and have some fun. Applewood Lane.